Morning students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope everybody is good. We have seen in the last classes definition of matrices, types of matrices we have seen, and we have seen very important property of matrix, equality of matrices. Before going to start the exercise, let's recapitulate whatever the things we have studied in the last class. Very first thing, we have seen the definition of matrix. Simple definition of matrix: an arrangement of elements in the form of rows and columns enclosed by square bracket or parenthesis. Enclosed by square bracket or parenthesis, simple bracket. We have seen types of matrices, different types of matrices. Very important of one of them is square matrix. A matrix in which number of rows are equal to number of columns is called a square matrix. Square matrix. We have seen additive matrix, a square matrix, or you can say a scalar matrix in which all the principal diagonal elements are unity. We have seen equal matrix. Two matrices are said to be equal if their orders and the elements both should be same. Orders as well as elements should be same. Now we will move to exercise 3.1. Very first question I write. Very first question. In the matrix A, 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 3, 5, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12. Root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. Now, write first question. In that first question, the order of the matrix. The order of the matrix. Second question, the number of elements. The number of elements. Third question, in the same third question, in the main first question there are three different questions. The third one is write the elements. Write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. This is the very first question. The order of the matrix. First question is order. First question is order. Order of A. Or we can write like this. O of A. Order of A. How we read this as order of A. What is order of the matrix, students? The number of rows and the number of columns present in the matrix. Now number of rows. First row, second row, third row, 3. Cross. How we have to read this as cross. Now number of columns 1, 2, 3, 4. We can't treat this as 3 into 4. 3 cross 4. Order of the matrix is 3 cross 4. Now second question. Number of elements. The number of elements. The number of elements. See here. The number of elements. Either you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or else just multiply the number 3 into 4, 12. While writing the order, we have to read this as 3 cross 4. But when we are going through number of elements, 3 into 4, 12. Now third question. Before going to third question, let me explain you what is these numbers are indicating. I will write here matrix A. I will write this complete matrix A. I will write first row, first column. Now first row, second column. Now first row, third column. First row, fourth column. Now we are changing row. Row is completed. We'll go to the next row. Now second row, first column. Now what should be the next? Yes, sister. What should be the next? Second row, second column. Now second row, third column. Now second row, fourth column. Again we will change the row. Now see, third row, first column. Third row, second column. Third row, third column. Third row, fourth column. First row, second row, third row. This is symbolical denotion of elements. Always the first number indicate row, second number indicate column. First number indicate row, whereas second number indicate column. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. First row, fourth column. Now second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Second row, fourth column. First number indicates row, second number indicates column. Now come back to the answer. A13. A13. First row, third column. First row, third column. What is the element present? Let's check it straight. First row, third column. 5 by 2. No, because 5 by 2 is in second row, third column. I need first row, third column. First row, first column, second column, third column. No need to encircle the number. I am just repeating. First row, third column. What is the number present? 19. Now, which one the next question is? Second row, first column. Now second row, first column. Second row, first column. Observe very carefully. Second row, first column. What is the number present? 35. Now A33. Third row, third column. First row, second row, third row. Third row. Third row, third column. First column, second column, third column. Third row, third column. कितना है यहाँ पे देखो? Third row, third column is -5. Now second row, fourth column. Second row, first row, second row. Second row, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. Second row, fourth column. 12. Now, last one is second row, third column. Second row, third column. 5. See, second row, first, second, third. Now, this completes the first question of first exercise of this chapter 3.1. First question. Now we will move to the next question. Let me fill the in. I'll continue in a moment. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 5 elements? Two different questions. First question, we have to find the order. In the last question, we have seen it is given matrix. Matrix of order 3 cross 4. It has given matrix and asked for the order. Now, it has given number of elements. It has given number of elements. We have to find how many possible orders are there. Now, possible orders. We can write very easily. Possible orders are if 24 are the number of elements. If 24 are the number of elements, like in the last example, if you see, students, just go through that example and see. I'll repeat my sentence. If you see, you might have taken in your note, not on the board. It is. If you have taken on the note, you see there the number of elements present were 12. And what was that possible? What was that order? 3 cross 4. 3 rows, 4 columns. For 3 rows and 4 columns, we got 12. For 24 students, what are the possible orders? Yes, keep thinking, students. You are right. 8 cross 3. If it is 8 cross 3, it can be 3 cross 8. 8 rows, 3 columns. 3 columns, 8 rows. In both the cases, your answer will be 24. 8 3s are 24. Any other possible order, students? Do you think other than this? Yes, possible. 6 into 4, 4 into 6. Possible. Now, any other? 12 into 2. Yes, 2 into 12. Yes, possible. Any other possibility, students? 24 into 1. 24 rows, only 1 column. Possible. 24 rows, 1 column. 24 into 1, 24. Or it can be 1 into 24. 8 cross 3, 3 cross 8, 6 cross 4, 4 cross 6, 12 cross 2, 2 cross 4. So in all the cases, we will get answer as 24. Check any other possible order is possible, students. If it is missing here, 24. Number of elements are 24. Possible orders we have taken 8 cross 3, 3 cross 2. Or simply if you go through the multiples of 24, 2. Yes, possible. 4, yes, possible. For 4 also possible. 6, yes, 6 also we have taken. 8, yes, for 8 also we have taken. 3, yes, for 3 also we have taken. For 24, yes, possible. 24. Any other possibility? Check. No. Then this is the final answer. Possible orders are 8 cross 3, 3 cross 8, 6 cross 4, 4 cross 6, 12 cross 2, 2 cross 12, 24 cross 1, 1 cross 2. Now, if number of elements are 5, then possible orders are 5. Check how many times 5 appear in multiplication. I'll write here 5 cross 1, 1 cross 5, because it is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. What are prime numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 1 or itself. So 5 is prime number. So only possible orders are 5 cross 1, 1 cross 5. In any other table, do you find 5? In the table of 2, 3, 4 or 9, 6, no, not possible. Prime number 5 is a prime number. If the number of elements are 5, then the possible orders are 5 cross 1, 1 cross 5. Hope everybody is understanding. Okay, we'll move to the next question. This will be homework. If a matrix has 18 elements, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders? What are the possible orders? It can have. It can have. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So, write the solution, take the photo and put in the group. Write the solution, take the photo and put in the group. Practice each and every example. Tomorrow we will proceed with a few more examples of this exercise. Hope everybody is understanding. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.